And the question goes like this. Ayan. Sino sa mga housemates na nakasama mo ang pinaka nami-miss mo na?
Pinaka nami-miss ko si Charlie. Number 1 ko po talaga si Charlie. She was my first duo. And also, parang first sa mga kapuso na naging close po ako. And she has so much growth pa that she can do. She's also so smart. And what happened during that first week, di ko alam kung nakita niyo po, may nangyari po kasi. And I never wanted her to doubt herself, and I could see myself.
Is it about the fried chicken na nahulog?
Hindi po.
Meron pang iba pa?
Hindi po yung pinagsabihan po ni Ate Ivana si Charlie.
O parang yun ata yun.
Yun po ba yun?
Oo, na tinapon. Tapos
Ah,
si Ivana
yun
yung
na.
nag-confirm. Nanonood.
Iba po eh. Iba. Ang dami po
Oo.
nangyari that week mismo.
Okay.
And I just felt so bad for the girl because she's 16. There's so much growth in her po talaga. There's so much she needs to learn pa. And I just wanted to be her ate. Because it's been a while since I've been an ate. So I wanted to be her.
Napanood ko yan, yung sa room with Kira.
Yes.
At sa parang ikaw yung nag-a-advise sa kanya, ay, nagpamaka-ate ka na, at ikaw yung bagets.
Yes, oh! I'm starting to feel old now.
Ayan, thank you for answering.